how to send documents from laptop to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You can send your documents from your laptop to your iPhone through the use of Google Drive. So I'll teach you how to. So first things first, if the file is already uploaded in your Google Drive, what you can do is you will see three dots beside the file. You'll just have to tap on it and then you will see the share option. Tap on it and then you can either choose to share and send it to the mail and then open the mail from your iPhone, or you can tap on copy link or send it to WhatsApp, Messenger or other messaging apps. Otherwise, another thing what you can do is you can go to the new option on the top left and then tap on file upload. Now choose the file that you want to upload on your drive and send it to your phone. So once you've done that, you'll need to log in into your Gmail on your iPhone and then you'll get access to the same Google Drive and you can have the files on your phone as well. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.